Many drivers notice their smartphone turns into a pocket heater after resting on the car's built-in wireless charging pad. The immediate fix for this dangerous overheating is slipping a simple foam spacer into your center console tray to properly align the charging coils. The core issue comes down to physics and coil alignment. The charging coil hidden inside your phone and the transmitter coil inside the car's console need to match up perfectly to transfer energy efficiently. When your phone slides around during a drive or simply sits too low in a large charging tray, the charger works overtime trying to bridge that magnetic gap. This wasted energy is converted directly into heat, baking your device. Constant high temperatures permanently degrade lithium-ion batteries. Modern smartphones will even throttle their performance, aggressively dim the screen, or shut down completely to protect themselves from this excess heat. You can solve this permanently using a small piece of high-density weather-stripping foam or a tiny rubber block. Place your phone on the pad and shift it around until you find the exact spot where it begins charging instantly without getting hot. Once you find that sweet spot, measure the empty gap remaining at the bottom or side of the charging tray. Cut your foam material to match that exact measurement and secure it to the bottom edge of the charging cubby. This creates a custom shelf that forces your specific phone model to sit exactly in the optimal position every single time you drop it in. By keeping the phone perfectly centered, the device will charge significantly faster and stay completely cool to the touch. This tiny modification takes a couple of minutes to set up and saves hundreds of dollars in premature battery replacements.